now that you know a little bit about the reusable pads and some of the key features, let's open it up so you can see what it looks like. It comes in plastic, a plastic bag that I will be reusing also. I always reuse my boxes and plastics and things like that. So, alrighty, let's just get rid of that. So, I said I got black, but I guess I didn't. Sorry. But it's actually pretty cool. It kind of reminds me of Hawaii style because of the flowers. There's no smell. I thought for a fact that they would have some kind of odd smell, but they are cloth. Why would they have a smell, right? So I counted 6, and per the description, it was supposed to be 7. Maybe I misread it. Maybe it was 7 pieces in all, like 6 pads plus the wet bag. Perhaps that's what it meant. It was 7 pieces and not 7 pads. But anyway, that's fine. This is the average size. I would say maybe, in my opinion, this is a small size. So here are the little plastic clasps I was telling you about. And they clasp together. So here's a little wet bag. Has a little zipper on it. Open it up. So I suppose you would fold it. Put it in there and zip it up.